was close. Hey, you can't park there. Open up, give me your money. I see land. I see it. It's all the way over there. Oh, hi. That's funny. Ah, screen! Looked like the Bucks had a little freak off on my bike. Oh, I am so sorry. I did not mean that. I am so sorry. Pit stop. Please exit the vehicle is safe.
I parked in the very corner to get my spot there.
I worked the corner actually. I took a labia for the real one. Bunch of bugs on my lens. I got so excited, I saw them. Oh! Whee! Close. That was close. Woo! Hi. Brothers! Go ahead. Hey, you can't park there. I'll let you guys go. I have to make sure Beans is protected. I got so many bugs though. Ah! You would have thought I was looking. I saw them birds on the freeway. I was like, ah! And I kept on looking until I saw them fly by. I was like, oh, okay, now it's game time. I think they're waiting for me. Are they? I don't know. It's okay. It's such a beautiful day. I wanna see. She kicked up. She boogie. No hair with a hoodie. We have touchdown. And by touchdown, I mean, open up, give me your money. Oh, hey, what's a pretty place like you doing in a girl like this?
Wait, what? Where did you get that?
What?
Where's that from?
Deadpool.
Oh, yeah. I love it. I think I missed my exit. I can't see right now.
No.
I don't have my glasses.
It's okay.
I can't see.
It's okay.
Sorry.
For what?
Literally just chilling, like.
I saw the bikers and I saw you go. I was like, we missed it.
I was like, go with them, and you're like, no.
Yeah, I already got my little speed run out.
I know. I'm surprised. I didn't catch it. I wanted to see it.
Alright, so as you heard from the navigationer herself, hey, what a tight turn. Oh, that sounds so good. That sounds so many goods. Hey, come on. Oh, there we go. Ah, it's green. I just put my kickstand down. I was about to jump on that ladder. I'm pretty sure those guys are going to go to that meet. Hello, goodbye. We ended up missing the off-ramp, but it's okay. We're showing up fashionably late. Stop. It's been a minute since I rode Gigi. And by a minute, I mean you guys saw Nigel's video, so I mean it wasn't that long ago. I rode all the bikes pretty frequently, so that's good. Everybody's getting some love. I still gotta figure out the Ducati, man. I'm gonna need to get a truck so I can trailer her and then just ride around and then trailer her back, because these rides, I'm riding an hour plus to get content for you guys. Like every single trip, every single video you see, it's an hour from my house to the location minimum. So just 2 hours minimum on the Ducati, just my wrists were gone. When I rode over there and did one of the meet, it was a San Diego meet, I think I was riding the Ducati for literally 5 hours. My wrist on the current day and the day after were just gone. So I'm scared to take her long distance especially me running on 3 hours of sleep. I was like, yeah, no, I'm just gonna be miserable. So we took the H2 out. We're going to this 20th anniversary meet with Dionysi. Made a couple friends there. We're not gonna stay too long, and then we're gonna grab some grub. I need some water. My throat is parched. Yeah, I had so many bugs when I was doing that little pull. I literally just wiped my visor too. What a shame. Beans is gonna go find parking, and then she's gonna sit right here. And then we're gonna pull up to the meet in style. And they're gonna be like, what the heck? She doesn't even have a helmet. And I'll be like, yep, we rode all this way. She didn't have a helmet. No, I would never. I am safe rider. And before you say, oh, you should wear gear, you should wear gear, hot take, 95% of rider crashes are their fault. I don't care what anyone says. Riders are more than likely spinning, and they don't have time to react, to brake. Obviously you get like those ones where the cars ply you from the back, no diddy. Those are like the 5% of where it's not the biker's fault. But for the most part, if you're on a crotch rocket, every time you're going out, you're speeding. I don't care what you say. You don't follow the speed limit when you're on a crotch rocket. I'm sorry, you really don't. Except me, legally speaking. I follow the speed limit. Booga booga. Oh, my nuts. Go ahead. A lot of water. I wonder if I should have time, right? Oh, Gigi's at almost 200 degrees. She's spicy. Spicy tamale. I see land! I see it! It's all the way over there. Oh, hi. Everyone's like, what the heck? She was recording. That's funny. Ah, it's green! Well, I might see myself on social media. Come on in, Tesla. I got you. Because I can just cut right in front of you. That guy's neck is snapped. Figuratively. See? Now I caught up. Oh, I'm dead. I've been here before. Why did I think the Dionysi location was somewhere else? I know exactly where to go. That is funny. Whoopsie. Oh well. The next one. I don't want to get plowed from the back. Oh, my poor Gigi. I watched her. She has so many bug guts over. It looks like the bugs just had a cream fest on her. Looked like the bugs had a little freak off on my bike. No diddy. That's a nice Porsche. I prefer the 911. Alrighty, here we go. Let's see who we see over here. That was funny. I was just standing on the bike. Is that my brakes? Gigi, are you squeaking? I just changed your brakes, bruh. Ah! Don't hit me. Okay, no one's behind me. Cute. Nice. They got a little dog bike. Clean energy. What's that? Satin matte silver. Dude, they be coming up with the weirdest names. Like gonorrhea green, baby backshot blues. Like what? We're gonna pull up with two peoples. Everyone's just looking. Can you park? You can park in the backside, I think. You got it, bud. Hey, my guy. Got it. Here we goes. Alright. You okay with leaving it here? Okay. Come on. Always be a gentleman and open the doors. Just don't stall. Don't stall. Perfect. Now the question is, we're just gonna bloop bloop. Yeah. This is gonna be so funny. Oh, sorry.
You want me to walk?
No, jump on. Well, I'm gonna go slow. Oh, my nuts. Scoot down.
Okay.
You're crazy. Oh, no. We're really gonna go slow. Hi. I can't believe I'm doing this. You know, I never thought it was possible until now. We on a one-seater. Hi. Shout out to the snaps. I turned right, right?
Yeah.
Alright. We just go super, super slow. We are not going any more above 14. We got it. We got it. We got it.
I like it.
This is goofy. I don't even know. I think she's sitting on my rear tail. And hopefully there's no cops. Yeah, feel your hand. I just don't feel you. I see him. We made a little pit stop, and now for the main. I can't get out this divot. This main event. Happy 20th anniversary year, pickle juice. Oh gosh. Where's everyone at? I can't believe that she's still sitting. She's still sitting on the back? Everyone's looking like, what the heck? That's funny. Oh, I am so sorry. I did not mean that. I am so sorry. I just saw the camera. Oh, car wash. Let's go to the car wash. Car wash, car wash. Yeah, that's me. Huh? Oh, look at it. Pit stop. Please exit the vehicle safe.
Huh?
So please exit the vehicle safely. Please exit the vehicle safety. Mwah.
How you doing?
I'm doing good, buddy. How doings are you?
Tired, but good.
Pretty good. Where do I park this?
Huh?
Where do I park this? I low-key I don't want to park this in like the group, to be honest.
I mean, there's some parking right there. There's some parking. I parked in the very corner to get find a spot there.
I worked the corner actually. I took a labia for the real one.
How much?
For you? I'll pay you. Excusez-moi. Ah, sorry. I am going to park right here. Solo. Should I park solo? I'll park in front of this. Who cares? I just like my bike to be. Oh, what else, Slime?
I saw you come in with my girlfriend. Where is she?
Excuse you?
Yes.
Excuse you? Do you know who I am? I will your cat.
Please do.
Oh, you have one? I didn't know you had a cat.
Here.
Oh, no.
Where'd she go?
She went to go say hi to one of her other friends. She cheated on you.
Oh.
She's,
Friend Naomi.
hello.
This is John.
Nice to meet you. She's over yonder.
I'll find her.
She's over there. Excuse me. Oh my gosh, there's so many bikers. Excuse me. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Ooga booga.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
I brought someone with me. Oh.
I have to like right up here. I just saw you.
Hot. It's hot. Yeah. You rode? Wait, where are you from? Oh, heck no. Yeah, you're crazy for that. Yeah, that's a mission. Look at all these guys. But yeah, we're gonna just roll out in a little bit, but enjoy the vibes. I'm gonna say hi to GP and whatnot. Oh, excuse me. No, I got it. I was just gonna take off my hoodie. My moist levels are increasing.
Are you leaving that up?
Yeah. Well, probably not. I'll probably record on the phone. We just did our first two-seater ride. We hit a top speed
So weird.
of 15.
It was nice back there. Can you give me the thumbs up?
What were you sitting on?
The back of it.
The whole tail? There's a carbon fiber part. That's okay. It is what it is.
I tried. Remember when we were at the gas station? I tried getting it. I couldn't get it.
Yeah, she was squishing me.
Like a little kid instead of the play.
But that's lit. We got you here.
I know you.
I know. I'm back.
No, it's okay.
Hey, Bubba.
Hi. Where's the Nobinator? Hello, my friend. Sorry.
Oh, did you see us pull up?
Oh,